Chairman, Mr. Chawla, Squadron Leader Chekara ji, Mr. Ashok Kumar, Mrs. Ashok Kumar, Mrs. Isa Bindia Rajpal Madam, and dear colleagues. The moment has come which farewell day again, I am telling you, and he was faring well over here. Now here we are to wish him that he will be faring elsewhere in the other job. First inning he has played here very well, and all of you have concluded, and the words which have been said by all of you, the speakers, I can conclude that he is a wonderful person, and known as a professional person, and as a colleague, as a family member, and in all, he has played all the roles very well, accordingly as shown in one picture here, that world is a stage and we are merely a players. So he has played very well all the roles as a teacher, as a friend, as a colleague, and as a guide, as a philosopher, and at home, as a husband, as a father, brother. I know many things which he has done for his family, that is separate from school, for his brother and others, and through what difficulty he has gone and how successfully he has come out. Very difficult for a person to sustain. And I have learnt a lot from him. I am not more expert. Many things I have learnt from him, how to play a role on the life stage, and which he has played very well. And an example not to be given. Creativity was in his mind, and that he has put down in terms of writing books. There may be creativity in our mind, but we never write a book. So he has done all that job, and he has analyzed what is happening around. The only writer analyzes what is happening around. Sometimes we ignore, let it happen. Why should I worry? But he did not do that. He watched carefully what is happening in the life, what is happening in the life of women, what is happening outside, and he has written some poems targeting those things for the benefit of those who could avail this opportunity. After going through those poems and articles, they can improve upon. Then, how will he judge a person? By his full knowledge in his field. And he is a knowledgeable person, and most of you must be knowing that PhD is already awarded to him, and after that he has already earned a doctor lit. After a PhD, another degree has been obtained by him, although it was an honorarium degree, but it was awarded on his work. And it is not bad that in the school we expect that all 100% energy should divert to the school only. If he has to play some role outside, that brings good name to the school. So that was allowed, and he was doing that. Although living as an outsider, visualize the entire personality, then you will understand, besides knowledge, his professional skill in Hindi. Students liked him very much. Older students have been coming to me, sir, have you seen Mr. Ashok Kumar? Where he is? So I told certain person, he is not today in the school, he is on leave for an urgent piece of work. Sir, when I can meet him? Can I meet him at his house in the evening? And some of them I have sent to his house also. So that way, that shows that the boy is coming searching Mr. Ashok Kumar. That is the real situation. And sometime you might have come across some student in the borders. He lived in the boarding house as a housemaster, performed the job with the student. You cannot develop the relationship without understanding the art of teaching. Art is knowing about the other person whom I am teaching. What is his mind, what is his background, what is his personality, what he will like when I will say, what he will not like. So he understood the students very well. And that is why I can say he understood the art of teaching, so that the students liked him. Maybe after he became PGT, he taught only small groups. But earlier he was teaching the full class, 40-50 students, and they liked the teaching very much. We may say, no, shouting in the class was not heard, that someone should teach by shouting. No. Peacefully, he delivered his ideas, and in the photograph you have seen his look of young age, that shows a very philosophical look, a thinker look, and face always says everything. Face says he is a thinker, he is a philosopher, and accordingly he discharged his duties according to his internal feelings and attracted people many times, particularly students and teachers as well. And I think whatever second inning he is going to play as a managing director of a call center, he will be playing much better than this, because he is good at making relations. So there the relationship works, and that he has learned through school also. And let me say, along with the giving to the school something, he is also professionally grown along with the school. He might have learned many things from other teachers, and earlier, long time back, he was in competition with me, particularly when we used to organize plays and play competition. That was a big task. In the evening they used to take place. 1 month preparation in the afternoon. First, which play? Better than the Founders Day plays. And that was a tough competition. And at that time he came in front of me, and there was another one, Mr. Dinesh, D.C. Sharma. And very big plays used to take place like Singhasan Khali Hai, Bade Aadmi, and many more under secretary, full length plays they used to be. And at that time I came to know more about him. And other day he took me to Vice President House, Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma, where one book was released, and the book name was Sakshatkar, with some personalities of Hindi field. And one person I knew, he was my neighbor, Vijendra Snatak. He was the head of the department of Delhi University. He used to live in Rana Pratap Bagh, where I was earlier living. And I met him, and then he praised a lot about Ashok Kumar, that your friend is very good, and his art of writing is very good, all these things. So I have met number of people who know him as well as me. So it will take time. I can conclude like this: he is a full book in himself. And later on we will realize that. We didn't want him to leave, but as the superannuation has reached, under compulsion he is leaving us. We wish him, his family, children, and everybody related to him, best of luck in future to come. Thank you.
हार या पैसे से नहीं तोल सकते, पर फिर भी हमारे स्नेह के रूप में हम एक छोटी सी भेंट कुछ स्टाफ की तरफ से और कुछ मैनेजमेंट की तरफ से अशोक कुमार जी को मिलने वाली है। और मैं इसलिए अनुरोध करूँगी कि आप प्लीज़